Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to cancel payment on Capitec app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to cancel a payment or reverse a transaction on the Capitec app, you will need to first of all tap open the app. So once you're into the app, you will need to navigate to your transaction history and then look for the option to reverse or refund the payment. Specifically, you will want to scroll down and find the section for Debit Orders. Once you have done this, you need to now select the specific transaction you want to cancel. So if it's a subscription, you will need to contact the company directly to cancel, not through the Capitec app. So you need to simply verify whether it is a subscription or not. If it's a subscription, you need to simply contact the service provider directly to cancel it. And after you have contacted them, you can simply cancel the permanent payment. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.